solve the following congruences. So 12x congruent to mod 21. So we can see A is equal to 12, B is equal to 6, N is equal to 21. GCD of 12, 21. You have to solve it and you'll get 3. That is my D. So obviously it has got 3 solutions. That's it. Divide 1 by D is equal to 3. So 12 by 3 x is equal to 6 by 3 mod of 21 by 3. 4x congruent to 2 mod 27. Now GCD 4 comma 7 equal to 1. So you do the Euclid's division and you'll be getting this. So 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 into 3. So instead of now 3, right, put this value to U and we will get it multiply by 2. Okay, so 4 into 2 into 4, 2. So x is equal to 4 mod 7 in extension of 2. So x1 is equal to 4 mod 7, that is x congruent to t. Mod of n by d. So to find other solution, xk is equal to t plus k minus 1 into d mod 7. Mod n, sorry. K is equal to 1, 2, 3, t is equal to 4. N 21 and d is equal to 3 already we got it. So x1 is nothing but what? 4 mod 21. And x2 congruent to 4 plus 21 minus 1 into 21 by 3. That is mod 21. x2 congruent to 11 mod 21. So x3 congruent to 4 plus 3 minus 1 into 21 by 3. Mod 21. So x3 is equal to 18 mod 21. Solve 8x congruent to 6 mod 10. So a is equal to 8. B is equal to 6. So 8 and 10, 2. So that is 2 solutions it has got. Divide 1 by d is equal to 4x is equal to 3 I'll get. Now GCD this is 1. Correct? So do this thing, u and v. Okay. So 4 into u and v if I am getting, I will be getting minus 1 and 1. So multiply by 3. 4 into minus 3. I think you should know why we are multiplying by 3. 4 into minus 3 is equal to 3 mod 5. X is equal to minus 3 mod 5. X congruent to 2 mod 5 is the solution of the equation. X congruent t mod of n by d. T is equal to 2, n is equal to 10, a is equal to 8, d is equal to 2. Solutions are given by same formula I am applying. K is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1, substitute their value. Whatever these values are, then just substitute here. Pause the video and substitute. And similarly, do it for k is equal to 2 also. That's it. As simple as that. Just simple substitution, which will give us the right answer. Third one. So this you can do it by yourself. Fourth one also same thing. So solve 5x congruent to 4 mod 13. Alternative method is 13 by 5x minus 4. I'll be getting what? X value. Inspection k is equal to 2. Gives integral value of x. X is nothing but 13 into 2 plus 4 by 5. That is 6. X congruent to 6. Next. Solve where 7x congruent to 9 mod 15. 15 by 7x minus 9. So do the same thing. 7x is equal to 15k plus 10. X is equal to 15k plus 9 by 7. By inspection, k is equal to 5 gives the integral value of x. X equal to 15 into 5 plus 9 by 7. Equal to x congruent to 12 mod 15. If 2 power 8 congruent to a mod 13. So 2 power 8. If 256. 256 congruent to 9. So we'll be getting 9. A is equal to 9. That's it.